So guys, I know I already updated a video today on my YouTube channel, but I think this XRP update is pretty important as, yeah, the chart became and the account became much bullisher, right? So I think I owe you that to update you on also my trade and also on my, on the account. So if we start here on the daily time frame, then it's basically still the same, right? We are still looking at and finished impulse, or not yet finished impulse, but to finish an impulse, either in this case or in this scenario where we are looking here at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what we need to look at is to finish this move. So let's drop down on the 4-hour chart, and I'm going to make it quickly because I don't want to bother you too much because I already updated a video today. So right here on the 4-hour chart, I then have this triangle, right? So there are two ways to count this triangle. You can either count this like this, where you then count this as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be very bullish. Or you could count this triangle down here, like I counted it in, primarily, right? The last time you saw this count, where I counted it like this and then had right here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the reason I don't look at this count anymore is basically because of the base channel, right? So if you look at the base channel, we hit this lower trend line, which says that this wave 4 doesn't become relevant anymore, right? I'm not looking at a wave 4 anymore. Like the 618 was not hit actually, and we did not have overlap between wave 1 and wave 4, so that's fine, but we hit the lower trend line. So I'm not looking at a wave 4 anymore. The two bullish possibilities now are basically a double 1-2, right? Where you put this a degree higher, put this micro, and then your wave 3 and 4 are much later, and you are here looking at another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a bullish scenario where we are looking for a double 1-2, right? Put it minuscule. The probabilities for this are lower, basically because U wave 2 is larger and longer in time. So the probabilities for that are shorter, like lower. That's why maybe we finish our structure down here, right? With this triangle, where we are then looking at here a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this becomes much more bullish. Like we are not here looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is not right. That's wrong. The possibility to count this as an impulse is by counting this either as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The problem with this count is that a truncation, right? We did not take out this high, which means wave 5 is truncated, which is very rare. So preferably we are either seeing this corrective structure, like this whole corrective structure, and at this pivot, and we simply count this as an impulse to the upside, or we count here a 1, 2, and somewhere here like a 3, 4, 5. That's possible, right? So we are looking then here at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or again at the double 1, 2. But probabilities for a wave 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are so low I don't look at it anymore because we took, not we took out, but I removed it yet. So let me put it on again, like from the low of 1 to wave 2 to the high of wave 1, base channel. We hit the base channel, the lower base channel, which a wave 4 should not hit. So that's why I'm not looking at a wave 4, but more bullish scenarios like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for my trade, my target is then the 1-to-1 extension. This is my target at the moment. Because any bearish scenarios would need to be like impulsive. But we hit here the 86, so we preferably then start this as a corrective structure, but this then needs to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we didn't get, we get this V-shaped recovery right here. V-shaped recovery, which is very bullish. So this is then a corrective structure. We could see here a corrective structure and then more sideways, but this is ultimately bullish. So I'm definitely holding on to my long position, and now bye bye.